Okay, so today our topic is electron volt. So we will define that what an electron volt is. Electron volt, first we would define what an electron volt is. Then we will define and derive that electron volt is the unit of either energy, or it's the unit of power, or it's the unit of voltage. First, we decide that what an electron volt is. We are having charges. This is positive charge, this is positive, and this is negative charge. This is point A and this is point B. So the charges will move from high concentration, they will flow from high concentration to low concentration automatically. But if we want to move the charges from B to A, we will have to do work done. From A to B, the charges will move automatically. And from B to A, we will have to do work should be done. So work done per unit charge, that is called potential. We would write here work done per unit charge is called potential. And if we derive work done from here, this would be voltage multiplied by charge. If the voltage is in volt and the charge is electron, so we will have a unit electron volt. We are having voltage in V and charge is electron. So this would be work done is equal to 1 electron volt. So the first point is that electron volt is the unit of work done. Electron volt, this is very important for MCQ's point of view. Electron volt is unit of work done. Okay, now 1 electron is equal to 1.602 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb, and 1 volt is equal to joule per coulomb, because voltage is V is equal to work done per unit charge. So voltage is joule and charge is coulomb. So 1 volt is equal to joule per coulomb. This would cancel with this. So 1 electron volt is 1.602 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joule. So joule is the unit of energy. So we can also say that the unit of energy is joule as well as electron volt. 1 electron volt is the amount of energy carried by an electron when it crosses potential difference of 1 volt. We can define is that 1 electron volt is the amount of energy, because electron volt is energy, is amount of energy carried by a charge maintained at potential difference of 1 volt. In electron volt, we can also say that when we are going to carry this charge from B to A, so we are storing energy. And which energy is stored? The energy stored is potential energy. And when it go from B to A, potential energy is stored. When it come back from A to B, kinetic energy would be lost. So we can also say potential energy stored our kinetic energy lasts when an electron moves and is maintained at potential difference of 1 volt. So this was all about today lecture. That in this lecture we defined that what an electron volt is. Electron volt is basically the unit of energy, and 1 electron volt is 1.602 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joule. 1 electron volt is the amount of energy carried by a charge of 1 electron when it is maintained at a potential difference of 1 volt. Or we can say that the potential energy stored, that when we move this charge from B to A, potential energy would be stored, while when the charge comes from A to B, kinetic energy would be lost. By an electron when it moves and is maintained at potential difference of 1 volt. Thank you.